In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email subject when replying to or forwarding an email in Gmail. While many of us use Gmail daily, knowing how to adjust the subject line on a reply or forward can really help keep your inbox organized and clear. Whether it's to highlight a new point of importance or simplify your email threads, modifying the subject line is an easy trick that can have significant benefits. The first thing you need to do is open up your preferred web browser and head over to your Gmail inbox. Once you're logged in, locate the email you want to reply to or forward. Click on the email to open it up in a new window. This is where you'll initiate your reply or forward. Now, if you're replying to an email, look for the small arrow icon near the top right corner of the email. This is your reply button. If you're forwarding the email, you'll notice a similar arrow pointing to the right with the label forward. Click on the appropriate option, either reply or forward. You'll see that the email expands into a composition window. This is where it gets interesting. Normally, the subject line stays the same as the original email, but since we want to change it, we're going to need to do something a little different. Look for a tiny downward-facing arrow next to the recipient's email address in the composition window. Click on this arrow. It's a drop-down menu that will give you the option to change the subject line. Once you've clicked on this arrow, select Edit Subject from the menu. You'll notice that the subject line now becomes an editable field. You can click into this field and type in your new subject line, customizing it with whatever information is necessary to convey your updated message. Make sure the new subject line clearly reflects the content or the focus of your email, so recipients understand the context immediately. After pulling this off, take a moment to review your email's body. Adjust any text if necessary to match your new subject heading, ensuring your message is coherent. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit that send button. A couple of tips to keep in mind: if your new subject line deviates significantly from the original conversation, consider starting a new email thread instead. This keeps communication clear and helps others in the thread know what to expect. Consistently changing subject lines can also show your attention to detail, particularly in professional settings. And there you have it. You've just learned how to change an email subject when replying to or forwarding an email in Gmail. This little trick goes a long way in keeping your email threads organized and effective. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.